Sakker was created to help inspire everyone around the world to become more productive and independent with everyday tasks. Today, DIY, do-it-yourself, tips, tricks, and hacks have saved us from expensive alternatives and the hassle of spending hours of our time on research. Sakker has done it all for you, so you can learn to do it yourself from any location. Whether it's for smart cooking ideas, health tips for a more enjoyable lifestyle, daily hacks to make your life easier, money tips to increase your income, information on worldly issues, or to learn something you never knew. Sakker is dedicated to teaching you to nurture your own knowledge and skills or develop new ones for a more fulfilling life. Our content is created based on thorough, in-depth research, personal skills we've acquired and want to share with you, as well as keeping up with the latest trends, which is crucial for living in this modern era. We'll make sure you aren't missing out. Improving your talent opens the door to many other opportunities to excel in life, whether for business, personal gain, or even your relationships. Ultimately, this information can help you reach your full potential in all aspects. This knowledge should be accessible to everyone and anyone, so here we are. Don't forget to leave comments and your own feedback or tips in the comment section below each video. We would love to hear your thoughts, and we want to create a like-minded community where we can all share our helpful ideas. If you have a question, video idea, product to advertise, or any other business inquiries, we encourage you to get in touch with us. Get your dose of Sakker by starting with any of our thoughtful videos.